Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about ManyChat Growth Tools. Let's get started. Do you want to add widgets on your website that will help you subscribe your visitors to your sequences? Do you want to apply widgets that can help redirect people to subscribe to your marketing automation? This is possible with ManyChat Growth Tools. Growth Tools can be beneficial for your chatbot on Messenger. It can help you grow your subscribers and acquire leads on Facebook. Growth Tools can help you grow your audience by providing different ways for your customers to contact your business and start a conversation with you. Log into your ManyChat account, and from the left menus, click on the menu Growth Tools. Click on the button New Growth Tool. You can view all different triggers here. First, the overlay widgets. It includes slide in, take over, messenger modal, or bar. Under embeddable widgets, you'll be able to see the button and box widgets. These are widgets that can be applied to your website. Slide in shows an opt-in window that slides from an edge of a screen. You can set the button type to send to Messenger. You need to be careful with checkboxes since Facebook introduces some limitations for checkboxes. Below, you can edit the colors for the background, headline, and description. Then select the button background, button size, and button text. You have a list of options for the button text that you can select. Choose the button text that is right for you. Next, add an image and select the image placement and when it displays. You can show this widget to the same contact again after a few hours, days, always, or never. Next, you can also edit the submitted state. After submit, show a new message or redirect to URL, show description or edit the colors, and add another image. Click Save to activate the widget. Under Setup, install the JavaScript snippet on your website. Then copy the snippet and place it into the head of every page of your website. Next, you can set to hide this widget on specific pages on your website or only show it on specific pages. You can set the devices for this widget to be shown on both mobile and desktop. Click Check to see how the widget will be viewed on your target page. Now this is the preview of the slide-in widget. The next widgets will have almost the same initial state and submitted state settings that you can edit, and the setup menu will require you to authorize to use it on your website and copy the code snippet. Take Over shows an overlay over your whole website. If you show the preview, you can edit the headline here, and below, you can edit the text shown below the headline. SMS Modal shows a pop-up window in the center of the screen for capturing phone numbers. It requires you to add an SMS channel. Now go to the Settings menu, and under Channels, click SMS. You may notice that this channel is accessible only for the Pro version. Once you upgrade to Pro, you can use this feature. Messenger Modal shows a pop-up window in the center of the screen. For each growth tool, edit the opt-in message relevant to the message that you will send to your subscribers. Click Show Preview. You can see that the widget will show up in the middle of the screen. Click on this section to edit the headline and the text below. You may also add an image to make it more enticing to your viewers. The bar widget shows an opt-in bar at the top of the website. Edit the opt-in message. Under the Initial State menu, you have the option to allow to hide the bar. The bar will be shown in this section of your website. We can only edit the headline for this widget. This is an example website with a ManyChat bar widget embedded on it. If we click on this button, it will allow us to sign in to Messenger. The button widget shows a Messenger button anywhere on your website or embedded into third-party widgets. Click Show Preview, and this is how you will see the button widget on your website. You can embed it anywhere, as you can see in this example. You can also select different button texts depending on the action that you expect your visitors to take. The box widget shows an opt-in box embedded anywhere on your website. Edit the opt-in message and add an image if you prefer. Click Show Preview. Now this is how it will show up on your website. Click on this section so you can edit the headline and the text below. Now here's an example website with an embedded box widget. Other widgets that you can use under Growth Tools include Facebook triggers. You can view the triggers, Facebook comments, Facebook ads JSON, customer chat, Messenger reference URL, and Facebook shop message. QR codes can be used for promotions, ads, or an event where people can scan your QR code and they'll start receiving a message from your bot. Edit the opt-in message. Under QR code, you can select the image size from 100 to 2000 pixels. You can also add a logo. You can see the QR code generated for your account. The logo will be shown here. If you don't want to include your logo, you can click the X mark on your logo. You can also download the code image here. Now here's the code we've downloaded. Checkboxes uses custom events on your website to subscribe visitors to your bot. Under Setup, you must install this snippet on your website. Then embed the checkbox. You can edit the checkbox size and style. Then embed an action for the opt-in. Click Show Preview, and this is how it will look on your website. This feature is available for the Pro version only. The landing widget shows you to create a landing page inside your Messenger, which is best for businesses without a website. Now edit the opt-in message. Under Initial State, you can choose a page template as text and media or media background. Below, you can select media types such as video or image. If you select video, you can input the link to a video from YouTube or Vimeo, then choose Video Placement. Click Show Preview to see how this widget will look like. The video will be shown here. Then edit the headline and the text below the headline. Under Setup, you will see the landing page URL here. Use this as your landing page to send to your customers. Next, here are the Growth Tools that are useful for your Facebook business page. Facebook Comments allows you to convert users to contacts and create automation for users who comment on your Facebook page's posts. You can use it to turn into sales. You can also use it to add people to subscribe to your sequence. You can apply this Growth Tool with a selected post or all posts, but all posts are available only for the Pro version. Now select a post. You can track first-level comments only. Then you can add keywords to exclude to trigger this Growth Tool and only trigger for comments with these specific keywords. Under Auto Response, you can set the response that users will see as a reply to their comment on your post. Then enable Like Comments to automatically like each comment on this post. Now let's use these keywords and comment on this post. You can see the automated response in the comment section, the automated comment like, and the private message sent to this user. Next, Ads JSON enables you to start Messenger conversations with a user who clicks on a Facebook ad. This feature is only available for the ManyChat Pro version. Customer Chat embeds a message chat on your website and they can engage using their Facebook account or as a guest. Under Setup, you must install the snippet on your website. You must input a greeting message for the logged in contact and logged out contact as a guest. When you visit a website, you will be able to see the Messenger icon below the site. The visitor can engage with your business using their Facebook account if they are logged in or as a guest if they are not logged in. Messenger reference URL uses a ref code that opens your bot's page in Messenger. This is useful for tracking traffic sources or have a separate welcome flow for different audiences. You can copy the message ref URL here, then set a custom ref parameter or save payload to a custom user field. Edit the opt-in message relevant to the purpose of creating this Growth Tool. When a user uses this URL, they will automatically receive a response on Messenger. Facebook Shop Message allows you to send an automated reply once a user sends a message from your Facebook shop. This feature is only available for the Pro version. Set the opt-in message for every message that you receive from users on your Facebook shop. On ManyChat, you can use Growth Tools that includes elements like widgets that can be applied to your flows or sequences. You can apply some elements on your website, on your Facebook page, and your Facebook Messenger. Growth Tools offer widgets that you can use for free and widgets that are only available for the Pro versions once you upgrade your ManyChat free account to a paid version. If your business needs higher rankings and viral traffic, We have a marketing app that can help you get more traffic using pre-recorded videos on Facebook or YouTube and make it seem to go live on the platform. Livecaster is the most powerful traffic boosting application that gives a traffic boost from both Facebook pages and profiles. You can go live instantly or schedule your live cast for future live broadcasts. You can live cast multiple videos simultaneously. Facebook will notify your fans and subscribers that you are live. YouTube will show your live stream in the section What to Watch Next. Livecaster benefits video marketers to make their regular videos live. E-com marketers can show off their products. Bloggers can create quick videos of your articles' readouts and grab viewers from Facebook and YouTube for your blog. Offline businesses can go live with your video presentations, commercials, and give your business more exposure. You can go live in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect Livecaster to any live streaming platform. Step 2. Add any video from your computer. Step 3. Then schedule or go live with 1 click. Try Livecaster now. Go to livecaster.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.